Welcome to the RateInc ARI Storage Solution video series. What we're going to cover today is how simple it is to actually go ahead and create a virtual volume on our system. So let's go ahead and start the demo. So on the left hand side, what you see here is I'm standing on the home screen. We're seeing our dashboard. You can see that we have a storage pool A, and storage pool A currently has two tiers. It's got an archive tier, which is that blue portion over here, which is made out of 7K drives in a RAID 6. And then we have a small portion of the red SSD tier, or performance tier, which are SSD drives in RAID 1. Let's go ahead and create some volumes. So I'm going to go to the Volume tab. And under the Volume tab, I'm just going to go ahead and create a virtual volume. Let's call this one Volume 1, or Vol 1. Let's give it 100 gig in size. Number of volume to create, you can change that, but I'm going to leave it at 1. And pool. I'm going to leave it on pool A because that's the pool that we currently have storage assigned to. I'm going to click OK. That's created. And we've just created a volume. That's going to pop up here in a minute. And then once it does, there we go, we'll be able to go ahead and map it. But before we map it, let's take a look at our host tab for a second. So this is the host tab. And this is a host that's currently attached to the array. The array will automatically discover hosts that are attached to it or attached to it through a switch. As long as it's zoned in or in the same network, the array will be able to pick it up and see it automatically. So let's go back to the Volume tab, Quick Action, and map the volume. And let's go over here and map it to this. Volume 1, read write. Let's go ahead and map it as LUN number 1 and through all 4 ports. I'm going to click Apply. Yes. And for high availability reasons, I'm going to map it to the second port as well. Same LUN number. And there we go. Let's go to the host over here. Rescan SCSI bus. And once it comes back, it will come back with the 100 gig volume that we've just created. There we go. Let's right click on it, online the volume. Right click on it again, initialize it. And we can go ahead and format the volume if we want to. Let's call this volume Vol 1. Click Next. Finish. And there you have it. Well, I hope you find this helpful. Thank you very much for joining.